Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about, will AI replace programmer? Yes, I'm saying programmer. Will AI replace programmer? Guys, will coding job disappear, or is this just a fear? Let's be honest. AI is getting powerful. What does what does that mean? Your coding career is over? Let's find it out. So the reality is AI can write the code. It can generate the function, fix the bugs, suggest the solution. I'm going to repeat again. AI can generate the function, AI fix the bug and suggest the solution. So as things are changing, but that's not the full story. But what AI can do. AI is a great at repetitive coding, simple task and speed. AI is good at repetitive coding, simple task and speed. It can make developer faster, like a powerful assistant. Okay. So what AI cannot do? AI is still struggling with understanding real problem, system design, complex decision making, and creativity. It doesn't truly think like a human. Okay, so what will actually happen? AI will not replace programmer, but programmers who use AI will replace those who don't. Okay, programmer who use AI will replace those who don't know programming. Okay, so this is the real change. Okay, and what is the future of programming? Coding is not going away, it is evolving. Developer will write the less basic code, focus more on logic, and build smarter system. Okay, and who is at risk? Re- and people at risk. Beginner with no skills, people who only focus code. Okay, and people who don't learn new tools. Okay, and how to stay safe? Do this. Learn fundamentals, build real project, use AI tools daily, focus on problem solving. Okay, so with the help of this, become a smart developer, not just a coder. Don't fear AI, use it because the future belongs to the developer who adopt it. Will AI replace programmer? No, but it will change how you work. Subscribe for more real tech video or real tech advice. Bye bye, take care. See you soon.